This place is an incredible opportunity. It opens up worlds quite possibly never seen before.
The sort of major project areas involve woodworking, screen printing, bike repair and rebuilding. There's a big garden. We have the water purification trike. We have welding, we have a 3D printer. We have that bus that we're turning into a mobile maker space. We have a carpenter who's working with us, starting with dog houses, and then we'll go into a tiny house.
We've been in here for a little over a year now. The only reason it's happening, honestly, is because of Nick and U of M coming aboard, being able to give the final push and credence.
I mean, I never would have figured I would be in a bike shop taking apart a crank on a bike, but through hard work, I was able to fix this bike up. Now it's rideable, and I kept it as my own, as transportation, and I just found that to be so incredible.
And the Brightmoor Maker Space is where dreams come to reality. That's how I look at it, and it made my dream come true. Our Apple clothing brand, it's something that I built. This is my job, really like another office of mine.
Young people want to awaken to their own sense of creativity.
We have hands-on projects created by high school and U of M students together.
It's collaborative, creative-driven. A lot of stuff we learn here we can take with us, and hopefully they take with them in future stuff that they build.
Without the Brightmoor Maker Space helped me achieve my dream, I wouldn't really be able to do as much as I'm doing right now.
It ignited a passion I never would have figured it was there.